To add Uphold to Google Authenticator, you need to enable two-factor authentication on your Uphold account and then link it to Google Authenticator. Start by logging in to your Uphold account and going to the security settings. Look for the two-factor authentication option and click on it. You will see a QR code or a secret key, which you will use to link Uphold to Google Authenticator. Next, open Google Authenticator on your mobile device. If you do not have it installed, download it from the App Store. Once you have opened the app, click on the plus icon to add a new account. You will be given two options: to scan a QR code or to enter a setup key. Choose the option that matches the information provided by Uphold. If you chose to scan a QR code, hold your device up to the QR code on the Uphold website and Google Authenticator will automatically detect and scan it. If you chose to enter a setup key, type in the secret key provided by Uphold. Google Authenticator will then generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. To complete the setup, go back to the Uphold website and enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. You may also be asked to enter your Uphold account password for verification. Once you have entered the code and password, click on the Verify button to complete the setup. You have now successfully linked Uphold to Google Authenticator. From now on, every time you log in to your Uphold account, you will be asked to enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator in addition to your account password. This adds an extra layer of security to your account and helps to prevent unauthorized access. It is essential to keep your Google Authenticator app and Uphold account up to date to ensure that the two-factor authentication continues to work smoothly. Also, make sure to save the secret key provided by Uphold in a safe place, in case you need to reinstall Google Authenticator or switch to a new device. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely add Uphold to Google Authenticator and protect your account from potential threats.